I can see the water puddles forming.
Yeah, looks like there's definitely a leak somewhere. I'll grab the equipment.
This situation is pretty bad. It is a lot of water.
I've located the leak. It's right here under my feet.
Okay. I'll give the office a call. Wait a minute.
Hi, this is Jen from the experts. How may I help you?
Hey Jen, it's Mike. Just finished the leak located at Plainfield Street.
How'd it go?
We found the leak in the front yard. We'll need to excavate and replace that section.
Oh, that sounds urgent. Let me check your schedule. Just a second.
Sure.
All right, you had other jobs tomorrow, but I switched your schedule around to do the repair first in the morning.
Great. Thanks, Jen. The customer will be relieved.
My pleasure. We're here to help.
Thanks again. What a day.
Yeah, tell me about it.